Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. So in today's session, we will cover OPD receipts, OPD discounts, OPD refunds and medical certificates including death certificate. So first we have the OPD receipt. You can choose any OPD number and manually enter the details. Once done, click on the Save and the OPD receipt will be generated. Next is the OPD discount. If a discount is applied to a bill number, you can select the bill, mention the reason for discount and save it. For example, I am applying a ₹100 discount given by Dr. Aditya Singh for a recent doctor's relative. After saving, when you print the discount receipt, it will reflect the applied discount. The third process is the OPD refund. If someone has paid extra due to any reason, a refund can be processed. You need to enter the reason, such as paid twice, save the details and generate the refund receipt. Now, moving on to the medical certificates, there are two types, the medical certificate and the death certificate. To create a medical certificate, you need to enter the reason, select the date range, fill in all the required details and generate the certificate. Once created, it will display the patient's presence from one date to another for the specified medical reason. For the death certificate, you need to enter the patient's name, details, cause of death, date of death, time of death, and the consultant's name. I will now show you an example of a death certificate. The patient's name, the guardian's details, cause of death, date and time of death, mobile number, and patient ID will be included in the certificate. This is an OPD patient and we previously created a medical certificate for the same patient. This is how the final death certificate will appear, including all necessary details and reasons.
Thank you for watching.